Start with the rib cage down, breathing through the belly. Now, without rising up here, I want you to reach this arm forward and up. Pause right there, okay? Relax a little bit here. Good. Lift this hand up off the wall. Cock the wrist back like Spider-Man. Push long into me here. Don't let me win. Don't let this fall apart. Feel this cooking a little bit back in here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm forcing this here to create an arch, and I'm forcing the outer hip to fight me, keeping the hip up off the ground. Keep that heel on the floor too. There you go. There we go. There we go. There we go. So kind of like you're catching that football with the diamond again. Elbows a little wider. There you go. And then push this elbow long into my fist here. There you go. Yep, yep. Long here. Rib cage down, breathing through the belly. Now, windshield wiper. Rotate out. So I'm trying to keep this pelvis nice and level. Trying to keep this straight, head straight. Against that outer hip, rotate out to the side a little bit more. There you go.